Schindler R.I.S.E. So finally, we are here in Hong Kong. In Europe, we have many projects. In Asia, Shanghai, Singapore, we have done it before. So now it has been in Hong Kong for the Project Delta, for the 54 Queen's Road project. It's the most important thing for R.I.S.E. is to ensure safety and health, because now we don't have anyone to work in the lift shaft. If we use the robot to do the drilling and the anchor installation, we don't have people to work in the noisy and the dusty drilling work environment. For people, we can attract many more young talent into the company. We will assemble outside the lift shaft. We will have some installation to connect the hoist to set up the safety rope on the platform, which is inside the lift shaft, but they have a platform to stand on. After the post-drilling, after the anchor installation. Ken, he is the operator. He is using the iPad with the interface, so we can see the live footage from the robot. So whenever there is something wrong, the message will be sent to Ken's iPhone.
In Singapore, we drill until 10 p.m. every day. Some countries, they drill 24 hours because the robots don't need to rest. Talking of risk control, we eliminate the risk of them drilling. We can deploy them to do things that are more skilled, attract more young talent to come into the built environment.
We have been pressing for 提速、提效、提量、提安全, and I think this will really demonstrate a good design in safety. You put the lives of the worker in the priority. A job well done, I think, Schindler. Thank you very much.